Hi, good morning. Today we'll discuss about the business intelligence. Okay, here the business intelligence is nothing but it is a way for business to use data to make better decisions. Here, the business intelligence includes tools and methods which are to collect the data, organize it, and turn it into a easy to understand reports, charts, and dashboards. Here we use the tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and the methods we are using to collect the data, and we organize it, and we turn it into a easy to understand reports, dashboards, as well as charts. This is about the what is business intelligence. And also, here business intelligence refers to the strategies, technologies, tools, and practices used by the organizations to collect, integrate, analyze, and present business data. The business intelligence refers to the it is such as strategies and technologies, tools, and practices used to organization to collect the data, integrate and analyze and present the business data. And also the primary goal of the business intelligence is that it makes better decision making and also it transforms raw data into actionable insights. Here, business intelligence encompasses a variety of processes and tools. We see that the data mining, reporting, querying, and data visualizations. These are the process and tools, and which enables the business to identify the trends and monitor the performances and uncover opportunities for growth or optimization. So here the BI, what will happen? It has a variety of process and tools, and which enables the business to identify the trends and monitor the performances and uncover opportunities for growth or optimization. Why is BI important? Here, BI is helpful for businesses, so it will helpful for stakeholders, and it find out what happening in their company, and it understand the customer behavior, and also we see here trends and patterns in sales, profits of other data. Here, plan better for the future. Why important? BI important because of find out what happening in their company, understanding the customer behavior, and see the trends and patterns in sales, profits, or other data, and also plan better for the future. And how does BA work? Here, the BA work with the collection of data, and we organize it and analyze the data and present the data. In the collection of data, we go for the different sources like sales, records, customer feedback, or website visits. From there, we have to get the data and organize it. Means we arrange the data so it's easy to use and analyze. So analyze data means use the tools and to find the patterns, trends, or answer to questions. And the present data means create simple charts, graphs, or dashboards to share the insights. The key features of BI. Here, the data features of BI are data analysis, visualization tools, decision supports, and predictive analysis. We see here data analysis. It helps the organizations analyze structured and unstructured data from various sources. Visualization tools means offers dashboards, charts, and graphs for intuitive presentation of insights. Decision support means it assists stakeholders in making informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Here, the performance monitoring. The performance monitoring is basically based on KPIs, which are key performance indicators and business processes in real time. And the predictive insights means it uses historical data and it forecasts future trends. So by integrating data from different systems, BA empowers business to understand their operations and market trends and customer behavior and leading to informed and strategic directions. These are the key features of BA. So this is about the introduction of BA, and we will see in the next lectures of the BA in the coming sessions. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.